Hello everyone, myself Vedant, and today is uh, December 9. So let's start with today's crypto analysis. Firstly, if we come up to Bitcoin on the daily time frame, mm, it closed up doji kind of candle, not with uh, any bodies and there and much, and a good weak upside is seen. Also, if we see on day before yesterday, it closed a doji as well, but with a good bullish wick body and some wick both sides. Also, if we come up to 4 hour time frame, on 4 hour, it's just ranging below this supply zone, which it tried to break previously but failed to sustain and gave up fall. But as if we can see that the previous fall was bigger than the this one, so it might be possible that the sellers are weak now, or it's almost complete, as the this fall we saw was really huge. And next time the price came here and gave a fall, it was not that much big. Uh, and also this time, the third time it tapped this level, it just gave a fall less than this one as well. So it might be possible that this area of selling is getting weaker. So we could plan up a buy trade from this, assuming it to be a bullish um, change of character for it, as selling is getting weaker, and we could see a good buying opportunity right there. So for now, it's not possible on the 4 hour time frame, but if we see up on the 1 hour, this fall came, but it uh, didn't continue to make a pre new low. So also it formed a good double bottom sort of pattern, which where we could have entered, but we were looking for some confirmations as well. So uh, we could enter at this double bottom pattern formation right here, and this could be the possible stop loss. This could be the target for this, or the you could look up for the new highs as well. So yes, this could be the possible trade right now on the Bitcoin. Okay, as also we could see for price to react on this level, as it's also a very crucial level for Bitcoin. We could see how the market reacts to this level. Accordingly, we would be adjusting our positions, as we won't be taking any losses if the price continues till this level and then reverses back. So we would take our trade to break even if it taps this level and forms any sort of reversal. Okay, coming on to Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily time frame, it closed a good bullish candle. Okay, showing bullishness, but mm, let's see on the 4 hour time frame as well. If we see, it is it formed a higher low, then formed a higher high after this breaking of this previous lower high, and again it's trying to form a higher low. So we could aim for a new higher high, but uh, we see this is a level we have marked with as a previous high. Also, we would be looking for some confirmation so that it could mark it up as good. So this was the area where Bitcoin made a good double bottom pattern. Also, Ethereum just tried to break this level and just reversed it really well. So it also shows the kind of bullishness coming at Ethereum. Also, if you see this level, it's also made up with a good double bottom pattern formation. We could also take a trade right here with a 1:3 risk reward, aiming for the change in character to bullishness, and also we could aim for more targets upside. And that's it for Ethereum as well, as it's trying to get bullish, as Bitcoin is also getting bullish. Okay, we would also be looking for the prices to break this major level and sustain above it to prove that it has totally changed its market structure, shift to bullish sentiment, as till it's below, it is not confirmed that bullishness is back in the markets. Okay, heading on to XRP. XRP on the daily time frame, if we see XRP just closed a good bullish candle only on the daily time frame, also on the good demand zone as well. Also, we have marked as if on the 4 hour or higher time frame, it's a double bottom pattern formation being formed right here. After the formation of this double top pattern, it shows that the market may reverse as the markets are consolidating right now, so we could take up some opportunities for that. If we see this trade, we have closed it on break even, as it's possible that as on higher time frames are much under important to be noticed. So as on the higher time frame, it's trying to get bullish. So it might be possible that it might take my stop loss out there. So I'm closing it up on a break even trade, or not taking much or useless risk. Okay, so this is a double bottom pattern formation being seen here. Uh, yes, so okay, no more pattern is seen right now. This is the sort of range XRP is facing right now, and let's see where it goes. No trade in it for now. Okay, so heading on to BNB coin. BNB coin is facing rejection from this major selling or supply zone. Okay, and formed a doji or a reversing candle. Coming on to 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour, it went down from this important level and showed a good rejection. Uh, so it's a good opportunity to sell in BNB. Okay, after trying to break this level again, it came here for as a correction or a retracement, and again going well down. And okay, so that's not much in the BNB coin. So this is somewhat a double bottom pattern was formed here, but also a good selling zone is here. So no buying or selling are is being planned on the PNB coin for now. And also, if I say I have just missed of this selling opportunity on BNB, we could have sold this. We could try up for this targets. Let's see how the market goes on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, heading on to Solana. Solana on the daily time frame is just Okay, so on the daily time frame, Solana closed a good, what we say, it's not a good wick, only wick candle is closed. It's having a really less body and okay, there's no much strength in buying or selling, or it's kind of consolidating only right here. And if I say this was the zone which it tried to break again. It's when it went down well, and again, if you see, it's not forming any good pattern formation so that we could plan up any trade. So let's see for the good market structure to form to have a trade. So no trade in Solana. Heading on to Dogecoin. Dogecoin on the daily time frame, it just closed. Okay, a good bullish candle is closed, forming a kind of a triple bottom pattern formation. Okay, so also on the 4 hour, if you see, uh, similar pattern as a double or triple top or triple bottom pattern formation is being seen. Also, also if we consider it's on the lower low pattern only, and it's just making a triple bottom as well. So the price is shrinking itself and looking for a breakout soon. So let's see where it breaks itself. So it might be possible it could kind of give a upside move as the buyers are accumulating here. So it might be possible it could give a sort of bullish momentum for a while. Okay. Uh, seeing hourly time frame. Seeing hourly time frame, it's not much to say. Okay, it's nothing much here as well. No pattern is seen. Only for now, we would be seeing for the price to break this previous low, or price to jump up till this level of previous swing or previous supply zone to break and change its trend to bullish from the bearish trend, or just continue its trend to uh continue its trend downside. That's it for today. I hope you like the analysis. Stay tuned for more. Thank you so much.